What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So listen, we have 5 stocks, 5 companies to break down, all of which just reported earnings. Guys, these earnings are hot off the press, so we have to break them down in this video. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Listen to this deal. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, this is the best deal on the market right now. So check out that link down below, or simply go to stasurfs.com/moo. Get your stocks, your free money. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So I'm not going to waste too much time on the indexes. Just realize it was a bit of a red day today across the board. The S&P went down about 0.3, Dow 0.2. Same with the Russell. The Nasdaq led the losses, 0.75% in the red. All right, VIX up 5%. All right, we got it. I don't want to waste too much time there because we have 5 stocks, guys, all of which, again, just reported earnings literally 5 minutes ago. It's 4:09 p.m. right now when I'm making this video, and literally these earnings just came out. And guys, I took a peek at Meta, and it is not looking pretty right now, man. Meta stock is down a good chunk, and it got all the way down, listen to this, man, to $554 per share. So we closed that, to give you a little context, $591. So we sold off about $40 per share initially, and now we've rebounded. Where are we now? $584. So we're only down about 1.5% now, after being down, get this, about 7%, 6.5%. So we have recovered, but we are slightly down on Meta stock right now after the bell. So let me see exactly what they did. Again, these earnings just came out, guys. We might not even have the different segments broken down here on the live news tab yet. It is what it is. But looks like adjusted EPS came in at $6.03 versus $5.25 expected. So a nice beat on adjusted EPS. Looks like revenue beat as well, 40.58 versus 40 point. Actually, no, oh man, the typos here on Thinkorswim, man, are annoying. It says 40.8 or 40.58 billion. It says that beat the 40.28 billion. So no, it didn't, or no, it did beat. Oh my God, I'm losing my mind. Maybe it's not the live news tab. Maybe I'm just an idiot. Okay, so they did beat. All right, I read that wrong. Whatever, scratch that, guys. So double beat for Meta, and they guided for Q4 revenue of $45 to $48 billion versus the $46.2 billion expected. All right, not bad. The upper end of that range is a lot higher than the estimate. Very good. Looks like here a lot higher. Or no, the whole range is a lot higher. Wait, $40 billion was the estimate, and Meta guided for 45. Oh my God, 45 to 48. Wow, that is a crazy beat. And it looks like family daily active people, 3.29 billion on average, up 5% year over year. That's on average for September. Wow, that's actually a great raise in guidance there. Great beat. Oh my goodness. But the stock is down. Wow, the stock is down. It was at 6:08 in the morning in the pre-market. Now we're at 575, so we actually went down about 5.5% from that pre-market high, but we got all the way down to 554, guys. That was about a 9% drop from the pre-market high. So Meta is getting beat up right now, but I don't know. It's probably because it was priced to perfection. Let's be honest, man. This stock was just crushing it. It was at all-time highs heading into earnings. And the chart still looks great. I mean, look, it's pulling down to the 180 moving average. This has held as support for months. And if we look at the 1-year chart, we can see clearly that this triangle that we called out, which played out right now, you guys see that we broke out of there. We're still holding this resistance. I mean, look, we had resistance at 550 for a good almost year, and then we pulled down today after the bell to about 550, and we held it, 555 to be exact. Now we're bouncing, so that's good. As long as Meta holds above 550, that's going to be good for the bulls. We'll see. Of course, we'll do another update tomorrow at some point. These are fresh off the press, man. These earnings, so we gotta keep tabs on these stocks. Now, Microsoft also reported, and this stock is up a little bit, and man, this one's volatile as well after the bell. Looks like they closed at 432. They ran to about 444. That was a 2.6% move, but they also dropped to 419. It dropped about 3% at the lowest, and now it's pretty much it's up a little bit after the bell, but pretty much break even. It's up to about 437. Okay, it's up $5. That's pretty good actually after the bell. So Microsoft reported earnings per share of 30 cents, it looks like, or $3.30 versus $3.09 expected on sales of $65.6 billion versus $64.51 billion expected. So double beat for Microsoft. Very good news. Excuse me, guys. I'm not seeing anything here on anything else, really. What the heck, man? I'm not seeing anything on guidance or the segments. I guess it's just too early. It's only 4:15. I probably should have waited like 15 more minutes to make this video, but I'm trying to bang it out quickly because, guys, it's that time of year. I have to go do some leaves outside, man. You know, I got my leaf blower all ready to go. I'm going to go do some leaves outside, but got to bang this video out and read these earnings first. So Microsoft, double beat, not bad. Oh, here we go. They reported, is there anything on guidance there? Nope, it's just their numbers again. All right, we get it. We saw their numbers, so maybe we'll come back to Microsoft in a minute here. Let's go to Robinhood. Robinhood's numbers came out. Oh my goodness, this stock is collapsing. It's down currently 11%. At the lowest, it hit $23. It was down 18.5%. That is a big drop there for Robinhood. So this stock is down after the bell. EPS came in at 17 cents, in line with the expectations. Sales, 637 million versus 650 million. So in line. EPS, they missed on sales. Oof, man, not the best. And they expect, it looks like, full year 24 GAAP total operating expenses of $1.86 to $1.96 billion, including a $10 million regulatory accrual in Q3. I mean, what's a $10 million regulatory accrual when you're looking at expenses of $1.86 billion? I mean, okay. But yeah, that's the numbers there. Looks like Q3 monthly active users up 7% year over year. Maybe not as good as expected. I don't really know. I don't track Robinhood too closely. I really don't. But I mean, look, this chart obviously tells me one thing, though. It was just overbought heading into earnings. We were literally stretched to the top of this channel. I mean, come on, man. This thing was pretty overbought. Let's get real here. So, yeah, now we're pulling down. Looks like we're holding the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. We're at the bottom of the channel, more towards the bottom. So Robinhood doesn't look too bad on the charts, but I'm not going to lie. The miss on revenue, not the best look. Not the best look in the short term. Now, blah, blah, blah. Can't even talk today, guys. What's going on, man? First, I can't read the words on the screen. Now I can't talk. What is going on today, guys? I don't know. Coinbase reported earnings, and man, this one's down as well. Oh man, this one's down $15 or about 8% after the bell. So Coinbase is down, Robinhood is down, Meta is down, Microsoft is slightly in the green, but it was down initially. A lot of these are getting hit. So Coinbase, 28 cents earnings per share versus 42 cents. Oof, expected. So they missed by 14 cents, and they missed on revenue. Oh, man, double miss for Coinbase, $1.21 billion of revenue versus $1.26 billion. So double miss, man. Not the best sign for Coinbase, and their stock is down about $15 after the bell. I'm going to wait and see if there's anything on guidance. Not seeing anything yet on guidance, but Bitcoin is all-time highs right now. It's pushing, right? 75,000, 73, whatever it got to. So how is Coinbase not following suit today? I don't know. It looks like it went down 3.6% on the day, and obviously now it's selling off because of earnings. I don't think Bitcoin could save it after the bell here, but you would have thought if Bitcoin ran to highs today, Coinbase would be up. I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy. Whatever. But yeah, that's a quick look at Coinbase's earnings. Not getting anything on guidance yet. Looks like their chart is not the best. Looks like we're still in this downtrend. Let me draw it out for you guys. You can see it right here. Boom. Clearly still in that downtrend, no doubt about it. So Etsy, let's go to Etsy really quickly. ETSY is the ticker. Wow, looks like this might be the only one that is green. Okay, Etsy, there we go. Up around 10% after the bell. Looks like Etsy did 45 cents adjusted EPS, which missed. Okay, 55 cents expected on sales of 662 million versus 652 million expected. So mixed bag earnings there. Not really seeing anything on guidance, but my guess here is, guys, this stock was just so beaten up, so slumped over the last couple of months, all year pretty much. It's been downtrending. So at this point, it's like it was looking for a reason to go up. We got a nice beat on revenue. Maybe that's all it takes, right? You know, that's probably what all it takes here on Etsy, and we're starting to push. But keep in mind, we're still very much so in a downtrend, no doubt about it. And I don't know if we're going to break out of here anytime soon. And honestly, guys, I'm not going to time the breakout. I'm not really, because I need to wait for the confirmation of the breakout. So until then, I'm not in Etsy, but I will keep it on the watch list. And let's go back to Microsoft. MSFT is the ticker, guys. Obviously, you all know that. Did we get anything on anything else? Nope, not really. So yeah, not much else to say there on their numbers. But it looks like the stock is up around $4 after the bell. And Meta, let's do an update here really quickly. It is, wow, it's down $20. Oh, no, down $16 now. We just popped a little bit, but still decent drop for Meta, about 3% in the aftermarket. And I will do another video tomorrow breaking down these stocks, doing an update, a follow-up. So make sure to subscribe here on YouTube, hit the like button, and of course, sign up to the email list. It's literally free. Link down below. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your inbox. No spam, no BS, just straight up value. And again, it's free, so sign up to the email list. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon, where I'm building out my private portfolio. You guys get to see all the moves in there. Whoops, wrong link here, guys. There we go. You guys get to see all the moves in the Patreon, everything that I'm doing, Discord chat, all of that. So check out the link down below, or simply go to StockSurfast.com/Patreon. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.